Good afternoon. Myself Hemalata. I'm going to talk about importance of sports and fitness in higher education in India. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Here we are going to change the world through the physical activity to develop healthy body and mind so that we can make a healthy society in the world. Physical education teacher. Role of physical education teacher. Responsible for the education of primary and secondary school students in physical activity and psychomotor learning in a play or movement exploration setting to promote health. Sports should become part of our lives. If we are a young nation, our youth should get manifested in the field of sports as well. Sports means physical fitness, mental alertness, and personality enhancement. Sports, in a way, it is a recipe that brings people together. Regular, regular physical activity will help the child to develop their co-curricular activities and motor abilities. Physical education is the most effective means of providing all children and youth with the skills, attitudes, values, knowledge, and understanding for lifelong participation in society. What is fitness? Fitness is the ability to meet the demand of an environment. Physical fitness is made up of 11 different parts or components: health related physical fitness and skill related or performance related physical fitness. The health related physical fitness consists of 5 components and skill related physical fitness consists of 6 components. Here, health consciousness and physical fitness. Physical fitness and sports are two sides of the same coin and are mutually dependent on each other. Here the picture says that school children in India need to be more active. The picture says that 2 out of 3 kids today are inactive, 1 out of 4 kids is overweight, 2 out of 5 kids are underweight, only 1% children are sports fit. Recommendations of Minister of Human Resource Development, officials from Ministry of Human Resource Development, National Council of Education, Research and Training NCERT, Central Board of Secondary Education CBSE, and other agencies. Curriculum design and assignment, assessment, delivery and monitoring, human resource development, community programs, etc. Curriculum design and assessment, delivery and monitoring. Physical education as the core of school education. Mandatory 60 minutes of physical activities per day for all age groups. In-service training of physical education teachers on regular and mandatory basis. Assess all students on fitness and skills. Competitions to provide opportunity to all to compete. Technology driven assessment, intervention and monitoring. Talent identification and nurturing. Human resource development. Digitalized training programs to upgrade or enhance teachers' knowledge, professional gradation of physical education teachers nationwide, provision of foreign exchange program for grade teachers, introduction of teachers training and sports coaching module, specific training for administering physical fitness program, physical education to made compulsory for all teachers, career growth opportunities for physical education teachers, and community programs. Establish National Physical Education Development Fund under MHRD, development of community coaches, development and utilization of community spaces for sports, engagement platform for play spaces, coaches, parents, and students. Some strategies for improving the quality of physical education. Out of 30 plus crore school going children in India, only 12 lakhs children in 1200 odd schools have a structured physical education curriculum. So, important to have a framework designed to improve the quality of physical education. Have used two key strategies to increase student time. Step 1. Implement a high quality, well designed physical education curriculum. Step 2. Provide teachers with appropriate training and supervision. Thank you.